Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a nice time. Okay, I want to show you a particular app I came across. This app, let me show you this particular app. Okay, this particular app called Wild Cash. Let me open it. Wild Cash. Okay, I'm going to show you the 3 ways through which you can earn money. Use this app. But before we do that, let's go to Binance, because this thing is going to be launched on Binance in the next 24 hours. Let's go over to Binance. This is Binance, right? Okay, Binance. Let's go to more. I'll click on more. Okay, I'll click on more. I'll click on more, which is here. Okay, so I'll click on it. Okay, I will click and open it, and then we go down to Launchpad. Okay, we'll go down to Launchpad. Let's see if we'll find it. Launchpad, yeah, that's Launchpad. You can see it there. Let me show you. You can see it here, Launchpad. Okay, so we touch on it. Load the Launchpad so that you see that hooked coin. Okay, so we are there. Okay, please, I think my network is a bit slow today. Okay, so let's see coins that are listed here. You can see that that's it. Hooked. You can see that Hooked Protocol. You can see it, Hooked Protocol. And you can go to preparation period, look at it if you want to. Let's look at it. You can see the information of this particular coin, okay, called Hooked Protocol. You can see time left until subscription starts in 1 day. That's in 24 hours, 14 hours 51 minutes. So 1 day, 14 hours 51 minutes. So you can see that Hooked Protocol subscription. See the sale. 1 hook is equal to 0.1 USD. Okay, and hard cap per user 15,000 USD. Okay, now single initial investment 0.1 BNB. Tokens offered 200 plus in millions. You can see that now. So let's scroll down. BNB holding calculation period. To participate, your daily average BNB holding across various accounts will be tallied. More details of this calculation can be found. You click on it, so you see KYC. Okay, so now I can just buy a little BNB just to add the account. It could be half BNB. Let it be that I have BNB in my account, and then keep it here so that they launch tomorrow, and then I'm good to go. So you have confirmed it on Binance that it's been listed on Binance to be launched. You can see that. You go to their Telegram, their Twitter account. On Twitter, on Binance Twitter account, you can see it on Binance. Join us for an AMA in the Binance Telegram channel with Jason, founder of Hooked Protocol, November 30th, 2022 by 13 p.m. TUC. Now, there will be $5,000 in hook to be won, so don't miss out. So you can see that. You can see that. Okay, so let's now go. How can you, if you want to mine, if it is just to mine that you want to be mining this coin, there are ways to make money. Number one, you can see, let me show you. One is through the quiz. You see the quiz there, or if you referral, if you want to do referral, refer people to earn coin, or you still have mining. You can see that mining, when people mine the coin, you make money. So let's go to quiz. Now you see, if you answer complete 10 questions, you get 1 billion of this token. 1 billion. This one is hot. If you can be able to answer the 10 questions, you make 1 billion of this token. Now the next place is, look at another one, Crypto Camp. Open it. Okay, you open it to show you questions. You see questions, answer 10 questions correctly, and goals easily. So if you click on any of these, you see go. Click on any of them, it will take you to, you can see that go. You click on any of them, it will take you straight to the question and answer. If you answer it, you earn money. Okay, you can see what is written down here. See what is written down here. Okay, practice to earn, answer 10 questions correctly, earn goals easily. Come and join me. Okay, you can see that. Let's go back. So 1, quiz to earn. 2, referral. 3, mining. I have already mined over 10,000. You can see what I have mined already, and I have used it to buy another section of mining. Okay, you can see that. 10. That's the proof of work time that I have done. Okay, so if you see my balance is 4, because I have used 9,600 to buy the next section, which if I open, you see it. You can see that I'm going to mine in the next section. Okay, so I'll go back. Let's go to my wallet, so you see what I have in my wallet. Yeah, that's what I have. 400. You can see that that's my balance. Okay, that's my balance. I can exchange it. Once you have accumulated an account, you can exchange it for any type of coin. Okay, now let's go over. Let me show you. I can stake it too if I want. You can see stake. I can stake it. Everything I have here, I can stake them. Okay, and then I click on stake. Once I click on stake, automatically it will appear here. Okay, but I don't want to stake it for any. Just go back. Okay, so making money with this coin is something you don't want to. The NFT, I just bought one of the NFTs. Okay, I just bought it, which I'm going to use to mine in the next 24 hours. Okay, so referral, you go over to referral, see what they're going to tell you. Invite one partner to earn 30,000 worth of this token. Remember, this thing is listing on Binance tomorrow, and they will start selling the token at 0.01 BNB. Okay, so you say invite one partner to earn 30,000 token. Now look at by the side, 5,000 token per referral. You get 8% of each of the person's mining. As the person is mining, you get 8%. Now, so once you click on this invite partners, you see my link. I'm going to leave the link in this video description for you, so that you download using my link and then start mining immediately. Okay, start accumulating. Once it lists tomorrow on Binance, then we are good to go. We accumulate it, we can now convert it. Okay, convert it to tangible money. And then now if I click on swap and transfer, so you see it, swap and transfer, so you can see that. Look down, look here, swap and transfer. So I can withdraw to exchange, to Binance, which is coming soon. Once it lists tomorrow, this button becomes active. Of course, I'm going to do update to show you that this button has become that this button has become active, that I can now withdraw whatever it is I have mined. Okay, so you see I have 400 balance. I have just balance of 400, so I can. Okay, so now let's go back. So like I said it before, I can exchange. Okay, so you see minimum amount of 800,000 required for USDT exchange, so which cannot take you more than 2 days to get good money. Okay, now so that's the way to make money here. Number 1, quiz to earn. You answer questions on the hot section. That's the hot section. Let me show you here on the hot section. Number 2, you go to crypto camp, which is here. Okay, you earn money. Number 3, you earn money through invite and earn, which is here. Okay, all right, so 3 good ways to make money. Go ahead, click on the link in this video description, download the app and start mining. You can see mine. I've already mined 10,000. You can see that already, 10,000 worth of the Hooked token. I've already mined it. So I used 6,900 to buy another. You can see that. Yeah, let's go there. You can see that. And then so the next one I'm going to mine is 16,000. I have already mined 10,000 within 24 hours. In the next 24 hours, I will be mining 16,000. The next one will be 36,000. That's how it keeps going. It keeps going. It keeps going. It keeps going. So you can see mine. So in the next 24 hours, before I'll be able to mine 16,000 worth of this. That's my level 2 now. Okay, in level 2. Okay, you can see that. All right, let's go back. So that's that. This coin, you can already see. I've shown you already. I've shown you on Binance. Look at it on Binance. Binance token launch platform. You can see that buy or earn new tokens directly on Binance. You can see that. Look at the current funds locked. Look at the total funds raised. Look at projects launched. Look at all-time unique participants in this particular hooked token. Please make sure you click. Let's go to subscription and let me just see subscription. Okay, now how many days left? Time left until subscription starts is 1 day, 14 hours, 42 minutes. Go to view more. You see more information if you want it. So let's go back. Okay, yeah, that's it on Binance. So that is it all about the wild cash coin. Go ahead, click on the link in this video description, download it and start making money. I'm going to answer this question after doing this video, and I'm going to play now, okay, to earn this 1 billion awards. So as I do my upward review, you will see how much I've made on the hot section, on the crypto camp, and then on the reward pool as well. Okay, thank you so much for always watching my videos. I hope that you will go ahead right now and click the link in the video description, download the app and start making money. And so once you download the app, come over to mining, okay? And then once you get here, click on tap. You can see that tap. Once you tap, once you start hitting it one after the other, that means you have started mining for yourself. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.